Hello students, how are you all? Hope everybody is doing fine. Students, in the last class we have studied about the reactivity, how metals react with other components such as oxygen, water, acid and so on. And we have also learned about the activity series of metals, right? We have learned that potassium that is denoted by K is the most reactive metal, and we've also learned that Au, that is gold is the least reactive of metals. Here they are saying that here it is a list, that means potassium K is the most reactive metal. K is the chemical symbol of potassium. In chemistry we don't write potassium but we use symbols. So potassium is the most reactive, followed by Na, that is sodium, Ca, that is calcium, Mg, that is magnesium, Al, that is aluminum, Zn, that is zinc, Fe, that is iron, H, that is hydrogen, Cu, that is copper, Ag, that is silver, and Au, that is gold. Copper is the most reactive, and gold, I beg your pardon, potassium is the most reactive and gold is the least reactive of metals. So in today's class we will learn displacement of metals by other metals. What they are saying that a metal which is more reactive can displace a metal which is less reactive. Okay, but a metal which is less reactive cannot displace a metal which is more reactive. They have given an example here. See this chemical equation. What they have given here is Mg plus CuSO4. Mg is magnesium plus where it reacts with copper sulfate, that is CuSO4. Then copper is replaced by magnesium. Copper, here see what the solution comes. This is the reaction, and this is the solution which comes out. See what the solution comes out. Solution comes out MgSO4 plus Cu. Here copper have been replaced by magnesium. Why? Because magnesium is more reactive than copper. See, copper is less reactive than magnesium. That is why copper is replaced by magnesium. Below you also see what is given. Zn, that is zinc, plus FeSO4, that is iron sulfate. Here iron is replaced by zinc. It becomes zinc sulfate plus iron. When a more reactive metal, here also you see zinc is more reactive than iron. See, above iron Fe, that is iron, above iron that is zinc. So zinc is more reactive. So whenever a reaction takes place, the more reactive metal displaces the less reactive metals. So here they have given one experiment which we can't basically do right now. Most probably when school open we will try to conduct this experiment. What they have done is, in one test tube they have taken copper sulfate solution. Here it is copper sulfate solution, and copper sulfate solution is blue in color. Okay, now in this copper sulfate solution what they have done is they have dipped an iron nail. Gozal eta they dubai dise. So what happens? The solution turns green, and there is some deposit. There is some deposit of deposit around the nail. Okay, so what happens exactly here? We will learn here. When iron is dipped in copper sulfate solution, iron displaces copper. Yet ki hoise agot a solution ki asil copper sulfate, copper aru sulfur asil. Okay, copper sulfur eta solution asil, কিন্তু ইয়াত কি হল কপাৰ CuSO4 যোনটো কপাৰ সালফেট সলিউশন আছিল সেই সলিউশন কি হল কপাৰক ৰিপ্লেস কৰি এতিয়া আইৰন হুমাই গৈছে কপাৰ সালফেট সলিউশনৰ কালাৰ হয় ব্লু কিন্তু কপাৰৰ জাগাত আইৰন হুমোৱাৰ কাৰণে what happens the solution turns green. Okay, and there is some deposit, some reddish brown deposit in the iron nail. এই iron nail টোৰ বাহিৰত সোৱা reddish brown কালাৰৰ deposit এটা হৈছে এই deposit টো কি হয় this deposit is the copper to deposit কত হৈ যায় iron nail ৰ চাৰিওফালে deposit হৈ যায় and the iron reacts with the copper sulfate solution and the solution becomes what? Solution becomes green in color. From what? From what color? From blue color. But see, however, when copper is dipped in iron sulfate solution, nothing happens. This shows that copper is less reactive than iron and hence cannot displace iron from iron sulfate solution. Eto jodi ami ultai diu, if in this green solution we dip এ কপাৰ নেইল আমি যদি এটা কপাৰৰ ৱায়াৰ এটা এই আইৰণ সালফেট সলিউশ্যনত আমি ডুবাই দিওঁ একো ৰিয়েকশ্যন নহ'ব দ্য গ্ৰীণ সলিউশ্যন উইল নট টাৰ্ণ ব্লু বিকজ ৱাই বিকজ আইৰণ ইজ মোৰ ৰিয়েক্টিভ দেন কপাৰ iron is more reactive than copper. That is why copper cannot displace iron. Copper cannot displace iron, but iron can displace copper. Understood? I hope you have understood this. Okay, now let's move to the next topic, that is corrosion of metals. Students, the next part is what? Corrosion of metals. So corrosion, what is corrosion? It's simple. Destruction of or damage of a material due to chemical reaction is known as corrosion. Destruction যিকোনো এটা মেটেৰিয়েল যেতিয়া বেয়া হ'ব বিকজ অফ চাম কেমিকেল ৰিয়েকশ্যন সেইটো কি বুলি কোৱা হয় corrosion বুলি কোৱা হয় আৰু corrosionৰ the best example of corrosion যোনটো we see in our daily life is rusting of iron. You must see when an iron is kept in open, what happens? It rust. মামৰ ধৰা বুলি কয় যে মামৰ ধৰে হয়নে নাই so that is a example of corrosion. Now how this happens, we'll learn about that. Students, now we are studying about rusting, right? Okay, so this rust is nothing but Fe2O3. Rust is nothing but Fe2O3. You must see this picture. In this picture you see all this iron are rusted. যেতিয়া iron fresh থাকে iron color কি থাকে? It is blackish in color. But যেতিয়া rusting হয়, what the color becomes of iron? It becomes reddish. Okay, the rust is nothing but a powdery substance Fe2O3. That is what? Iron oxide. That is what? Iron oxide. Now this formation of iron oxide states that some part of the iron have reacted with oxygen and formed what? Iron oxide. আৰু যোনটোক আমি মামৰ বুলি কওঁ আৰু সেইটো বস্তু হ'লে কি হয় the actual material, the iron is damaged. Okay, so the same thing happens with copper as well. Over time copper is corroded in the presence of carbon dioxide and water to form a green coating which is a mixture of copper carbonate and copper hydroxide. So copper কি হয় কপাৰৰো তোমাৰ corrosion হয় কপাৰৰ corrosion কেনেকৈ হয় when copper reacts when copper is kept in the presence of carbon dioxide and water which is present in the atmosphere. What happens? It forms a green coating which is a mixture of copper carbonate and copper hydroxide. কপাৰ কাৰ্বনেট আৰু কপাৰ হাইড্ৰক্সাইড এটা ফৰ্ম কৰে কেতিয়া যেতিয়া কাৰ্বন ডাইঅক্সাইড আৰু ৱাটাৰৰ লগত ই কণ্টেক্টত আহে সিলভাৰ অবজেক্ট টাৰ্নিশ বিকাম ব্লেকেণ্ড এণ্ড লুজ দেয়াৰ শ্বাইন আফটাৰ চাম টাইম সিলভাৰৰ অবজেক্টবিলাক তোমালোকে চাবাচোন এই যে আমি গলাত যে ৰূপৰ বস্তুবিলাক পিন্ধে যে চাবাচোন এটা আফটাৰ পাৰ্টিকুলাৰ টাইম ইট বিকামছ ব্লেক ৱাই ইট বিকামছ ব্লেক বিকজ ইট ৰিয়েক্টছ উইথ হাইড্ৰজেন ছালফাইড দ্যাট ইজ প্ৰেজেণ্ট ইন পলিউটেণ্ট পলিউশ্যন যেতিয়া হয় পলিউটেণ্টত হাইড্ৰজেন ছালফাইড থাকে এই হাইড্ৰজেন ছালফাইডৰ লগত ইট ৰিয়েক্টছ উইথ হাইড্ৰজেন ছালফাইড চিলভাৰ ৰিয়েক্টছ উইথ হাইড্ৰজেন ছালফাইড এণ্ড এ ব্লেক কোটিং ইজ ফ্ৰম দেট ইজ নন এজ চিলভাৰ ছালফাইড দিছ ইজ হাউ corrosion happens in silver. Aluminum forms aluminum oxide on exposed to air, but it forms a protective coating and prevents further damage of the article. When aluminum reacts with oxygen, it is exposed to air, it forms aluminum oxide, but কি হয় এই aluminum oxide aluminum উপর একটা coating form কৰি দিয়ে hey because of the coating further আৰু বস্তু damage নহয় okay so this is how this is what corrosion of a material is that because of some chemical reaction a material can be damaged and that process is basically known as corrosion and the most common corrosion that we know is rusting of iron. But students, there are some metals such as gold and platinum do not corrode in air. They look gold and platinum ki hua they don't corrode in air. If we keep gold and platinum in open air, no chemical reaction will happen. Nothing will damage gold and platinum. That is why gold ornaments, we wear gold ornaments for a long period of time and nothing happens there. Imagine what if you are wearing an iron chain. The iron chain after some days it will corrode. Yes or no? Corrosion will happen, rusting will happen. That mamor dhoribo. Ami jodi lohar chain pindhu tar mamor dhoribo. But gold or chain হয় না নাই আমাৰ মাহঁতে আইতাহঁতে বহুত দিন পিন্ধে years and years but it still don't corrode because gold and platinum do not corrode in air ৰিয়েকশ্যন হ'ব কিন্তু গ'ল্ড আৰু প্লেটিনামৰ ৰিয়েকশ্যন হ'ব কাৰণে বহুত ডিফাৰেণ্ট টেম্পাৰেচাৰ আমাৰ নৰ্মেল টেম্পাৰেচাৰত যোনটো আমাৰ নৰ্মেল এটমছফিয়াৰ আছে সেই নৰ্মেল এটমছফিয়াৰত গ'ল্ড আৰু প্লেটিনিয়াম ৰিয়েক্ট নকৰে okay now we'll study about rust prevention how we can prevent rusting now when rusting happens what happens a metal is deteriorated that means a metal is damaged so it is known that we have to stop the damage of the object তো এই অবজেক্টবিলাকৰ ডেমেজটো আমি কেনেকৈ ৰখাম নাম্বাৰ 1 আছে এপ্লাইং এ প্ৰটেক্টিভ কোটিং applying a protective coating মানে কি in iron if you see the gates the chairs the benches you see it in the school you see the iron frame the benches are black in color why first of all we put one iron oxide there ৰঙা ৰঙা যে মাৰে কি বুলি কয় হেতক নামটো I forgot the name it's called iron oxide হেইটো তাৰ ওপৰত মাৰি দিয়া হয় তাৰ ওপৰত পেইন্ট কৰা হয় কিয় পেইন্ট কৰা হয় it is painted so that rusting doesn't happens ৰাষ্টিং ৰখাবৰ কাৰণে সেই আইৰণটোৰ ওপৰত পেইণ্ট কৰা হয় এটা বেলেগ বস্তু কোটিং কৰা হয় যাতে দ্য আইৰণ ডাজন্ট কাম ইন কণ্টেক্ট উইথ অক্সিজেন অৰ ৱাটাৰ অ'কে দিছ ইজ এপ্লাইং এ প্ৰটেক্টিভ কোটিং এল'য়িং মিনছ হোৱাট এল'য় ইজ এ মিক্সচাৰ অফ ডিফাৰেণ্ট মেটেলছ যেতিয়া when different metals are mixed it is known as an alloy an example of an alloy is stainless steel suppose the blades we use if you observe the blades we use never corrode আমি যে ব্লেড বিলাক ইউজ কৰো আৰু লিখা থাকে স্টেইনলেছ ষ্টিল বুলি সেই ব্লেড বিলাক কেতিয়াও কৰড নকৰে এটা মামৰ নধৰে why because it is an alloy যেতিয়া আইৰণটো পিওৰ আইৰণৰ পৰা আমি এটা এনেকুৱা এটা বস্তু বনাও যোনটো যে মিক্সচাৰ অফ ডিফাৰেণ্ট থিংছ অলপ সিম্পল চেঞ্জ এটা আনি দিওঁ তেতিয়া সেই কৰজনটো ৰখি যায় আইৰণ stainless steel is an alloy of iron chromium and nickel আইৰণ ক্ৰমিয়াম আৰু নিকেল মিক্স কৰি এটা কম্পোনেণ্ট বনোৱা হয় হিয়াক ষ্টেইনলেছ ষ্টিল বুলি কোৱা হয় এণ্ড ডেট ডু নট ৰাষ্ট অ'কে নাও নেক্সট ইজ গেলভেনাইজিং কোটিং আইৰণ অবজেক্টছ উইথ জিংক ইজ কল্ড galvanizing iron pipes used for water supply are given a coat of zinc to prevent their rusting such pipes are called galvanized iron pipes যে এই আমাৰ water pipe বিলাক যে বনোৱা হয় আমাৰ water pipe দংকলৰ পাইপ বিলাক যে বনোৱা হয় দংকলৰ পাইপ বিলাক বিগিনিঙত কি থাকে না ওপৰত জিংকৰ এটা কোটিং থাকে ওকে এই water supply পাইপ বিলাক দেখিবা that is iron pipe coated with zinc why so that the iron we can protect the iron from the atmosphere জিংকৰ কোটিং কৰি দিয়াৰ লগে লগে ওপৰত কি হ'ল ভিতৰত যোনটো আইৰণ আছিল that cannot come in contact with the atmosphere that means oxygen and water and such we can prevent the rusting of the iron next is electroplating a coating of chromium is deposited on the iron objects as a process electroplating কি কয় হয় এটা কোট অফ ক্ৰোমিয়ামৰ এটা কোট আইৰণৰ ওপৰত ডিপজিট কৰা হয় কেনেকৈ ডিপজিট কৰা হয় that is a long process I will send you a video in YouTube kindly watch the video how electroplating is done okay now the shiny parts on a bicycle are iron parts that have been cut off a chromium the chromium coats look bright and also protects the parts from rusting okay electroplating কেনেকৈ কৰা হয় আৰু মই তোমালোকক I will send you a video kindly watch the video how electroplating is done now next let's come to uses of metals number 1 see metals are used in day-to-day lives right there are lots of use of metals so let's learn number 1 use of iron wrought iron the purest form of iron is used to make furniture the purest form of iron this is alloy when stainless steel is not a pure form of iron but wrought iron the pure iron hoy to ki kamot use kora hoy to make furniture just like the branches of your schools right and the steel and alloy of iron steel je ami hunu steel is also an alloy of iron mane iron logot tini saita bostu mix kori steel is made steel you know it is extensively used everywhere it is used to make bridges construction in buildings factory equipment lots of other things then stainless steel and other alloy of iron is strong and corrosion resistance. It is used to make utensils, surgical instruments. A surgical instrument like the bonai is a doctor use surgical instrument. Then our the blades we use to shave, right? Bostu katibo kone eba shave koribo kone blade use kora hoy, that blade. And utensils bason boton bonabo kone stainless steel use kora hoy. For different things this iron is used. Now let's learn the use of aluminum. Yes, now students, aluminum, as you know, aluminum is very a good conductor of electricity, so it is used in high voltage electric lines. It is an alloy such as duralium and magnesium are used to make bodies of engine parts of aircrafts and automobiles. Here যোনটো alloy আছে duralium আৰু তোমাৰ magnesium are used to make bodies of engine parts and aircrafts and automobiles. Okay, it is used for making aluminum foil and cooking utensils. Aluminum foil jam use ko no hai to wrap food or something. That aluminum foil and utensils also it is used to make aluminum. Now coming to copper. What copper is used for? Since copper is a good conductor of it, we all know copper is used as a wire, copper wire to in electricity wire copper is used. Since it is a good conductor of heat, it is used to make the bottom of stainless steel. Since copper is a very good conductor of electricity, that means copper can transfer heat easily, more easily than iron. So if you see some utensils, below portion you will see there is shiny thing. গোটে টাৱাবিলাকৰ চাবাচোন নতুন টাৱাবিলাকৰ তলৰ ফালে কিবা এটা শাইনি বস্তু লগোৱা থাকে টাৱাখনৰ তলৰ ফলত সেই বস্তু ইজ কপাৰ আৰু তলৰ ফালে কিয় কপাৰ লগায় যাতে তলৰ ফালে হিটটো সোনকালে ট্ৰান্সফাৰ হ'ব পাৰে আইৰণে যিমান সোনকালে কৰিব তাতকৈ সেই কপাৰে বেছি সোনকালে হিটটো ট্ৰান্সফাৰ কৰিব পাৰিব ফ্ৰম দ্য গেছ ফ্ৰম দ্য ফ্লেম টু দ্য ফুড that is why copper is used on the bottom of the stainless steel vessels. Zinc is used to make corrosion resistant galvanized iron pipes. আমি জানো জিংক কোড ইউজ কৰা হয় এই galvanized pipe মানে পাইপৰ ওপৰত আইৰন পাইপৰ ওপৰত কিবা কৈ দে কোড কৈ যাতে তোমাৰ corrosion নহয়. It is used in an electrode through a conductor through which electricity passes or onto an object in dry cells. এই dry cell বিলাক battery বিলাক আছে না battery বিলাক আমি যে সৰু battery বিলাক ইউজ কৰোঁ সেই dry cell বিলাকৰ ভিতৰত it is used as an electrode. Now electrode, if you don't know what is an electrode, search in the internet, you will find what is an electrode. Other metals, gold and silver are used to make jewelries, all of you know. Lead is used to make electrodes of lead storage batteries and are used in automobiles and inverters. And chromium is used to electroplate iron to give it a shiny corrosive resistance finish. Chromium or আমি জানো chromium কি কৰে chromium এটা shiny finish দিয়ে to metals, right? Okay, so that's it for today. In the next class, students, we will learn about non-metals. I know we could see in the WhatsApp class it is not possible to explain everything in details, but when the school will open, when the classes will start, we will try to explain everything in detail. For now, if you have any doubt, kindly use YouTube. Kindly type the name of the particular doubts you have on the YouTube, and I'm hopeful that you will find videos which will discuss the things to you in detail and which will help you more. For me, it is not possible to make a long video describing everything, so I'm trying to be as precise as possible. Hope this helps you. Thank you, students. After this class, I will send you some questions. Kindly answer the questions and send it to me. Thank you very much and goodbye.